So you have to learn the basics. When I say basic, it means the basic of networking concepts.
Okay.
And basics of operating system. You can start with Linux. So the networking fundamentals as well as this Linux fundamentals
Okay.
will help you in every domain of cybersecurity. So these are must.
Okay.
So when I say basics of networking, you should know the TCP IP model, and you should know what is the difference between a TCP and UDP. You should know the how DNS works,
Okay.
how routing works in internet. A great book I can suggest that you can get started with networking is Computer Networking, a top-down approach.
Okay.
So that's a very
Did
very
you read this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So at that time when I was studying about these fields, there was no YouTube or any such content like that. There was, but it was not that popular.
Okay.
So I had to take the traditional approach, which is going through the books, reading the books. So I went out to my college library and started about reading this book, a wonderful book.
And during your college days or with job?
Yeah, with job it's different, but in college days, as I told you,
already prepared that you.
Yeah, I had
Oh,
so
nice.
at that time I had the computer networking as a subject in college. So at that time I started reading this book.
Okay.
And I have read this book twice or thrice. So that's a very very good book if you want to make your networking skills at a top level.
Okay.
So once you have that, then you can transition into the the operating system side of things. You can start with Linux.
Okay.
So this is what I did. I also read about a book which was on Unix, because it's the concept is similar, Unix and Linux. So at that time you can learn about different commands of Linux and what are the basic things required to operate a Linux operating system.
Okay.
So that's how you can start it. Then you can start with once you have these knowledges, then you can start with the basic web hacking. You can learn about before hacking, you have to learn about how web works.
Okay.
What is HTTP protocol? What is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? What are your cookies? What are your authentication mechanisms? You have to learn about these things. Then you can look at the hacking side of things. So networking, then Linux, web basics, as well as I would add a little bit of programming as well.
Like you said before that there are many domains. Can you
Yeah.
tell me how can someone decide to opt? I mean, which domain they can choose or to specialize in?
Yeah, so that's a very good question, because when we are starting out, we will see web hacking, hardware, mobile app, red teaming. So how can they choose one domain? I would say don't limit yourself to a single domain. Maybe try learning some fundamentals of each of the domains, and then you can think of which domain you like, and then you can just get master in that domain. But basic knowledge of each of the domains are must, so that because each of the domains of cyber security are linked.
Okay.
So it's not like if you are working on a red team engagement, you might get some websites.
Correct.
So that's where you have to learn the web application side of things, so that you can apply that knowledge there. So you have to learn a little bit about each of the domains and be a master in one or two domains.